using AI voices to generate videos and of course make money with it. Murf.ai is going to enable us with an AI power. Now you can't make videos like this and you don't have to show your face and you don't have to record your own voice, but the truth is that you can't get monetized on YouTube without this, okay? Because YouTube doesn't like mass-produced content, alright? And they won't monetize you. But there are ways to get the money even without YouTube ad revenue. I'm going to explain all of that later, but first of all, I want to show you that Murf AI is a really good one, okay? It's one of the best out there on the market, and it's really, really cool, You can just input the text, and of course you can just go and see what kind of voices they have. So, they have from over 120 plus text-to-speech voices in 20 plus languages. So you can maybe do this in some other language other than English, of course. Now, the cool thing about this one is that everyone can do it. Okay, so whatever you want to do. Now, you probably can tell if it's a real voice or it's an AI tool, okay? It's that good. Take a look at this one.
Drive away your hunger pangs with Quickie. Order your favorite meal from hundreds of restaurants in your...
It's so good, right? It's just good. It's almost real. I can't hear if it's an AI tool. So that is why we can use this, and I'm going to show you how you can set this up correctly, how you can make certain videos, and how you can make money with it. So first of all, come over to mrf.ai, make yourself an account, and then open this studio. Now, I'm just going to leave it like this, okay? So this is a certain tutorial, but from here, you go and create your voiceovers. But of course, it is easy to create these, okay? Anyone can do it, but how can we make money with it, and what do we have to do? Well, first of all, let me just show you what other people are doing, okay? So, for example, this channel on YouTube, it's called The 5 Best. Well, they just review certain gadgets, okay? They don't show their face, they're using AI voice as well, but they make money through affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is the best thing that you can do for yourself, especially if you are a beginner, because that's the most beginner-friendly strategy, because you don't have to have your own products, you don't have to go and buy the products, you don't have to create any ideas, you don't have to store the products, ship them, All you gotta do is to drive the traffic. And of course, YouTube is the perfect place for it. You just have to create the content, put those description links in there, affiliate links, of course, and you make money on constantly. So let me just summarize this channel for you. I'm just going to show you that on Social Blade, they say that they just get like $2.3 thousand from ad revenue. But this is nothing, okay? This is nothing compared to what these people are getting through Amazon affiliate marketing, for example. Because just take a look at this. I don't know. Let's take one of these videos. Let's go with the most popular ones. Now, just take a look at, I'm going to take this first one. It has 1.7 million views. And when I go inside, I'm just going to stop it. You don't have to watch it, but I just want to show you this. Just take a look at these links. So, best budget gaming laptop in 2020. And they just review those. They put like certain script and voiceover, which is AI, of course, and then they just put these affiliate links, okay? These affiliate links, when I click on, for example, this one, I will be taken to Amazon. And of course, whenever I buy something from this, they will get a commission. And each one of these works like that. I click on it and I'm led to Amazon in order for me to buy that laptop, And this commission is really good, especially if you have this expensive products, Now, what is cool about this is that, for example, if I don't even buy the product, that they are affiliating for, if I just go and buy another one after I click on their link, they still get a commission of whatever I buy, okay? That is because Amazon has great cookies, okay? They're just great. As you can see, Amazon has 24 hours cookie, okay? That applies to everything that the customer has in their cart for a single checkout. So that means that if I click on your link and, for example, I don't like that laptop or whatever, I can just go and find another one. But if I buy something in the next 24 hours, the commission still goes to you because you are the person that got me to Amazon first. And Amazon knows that. It tracks the cookies and gives you the commission, okay? So that is a well job done for them. And of course, you can just do the math. This video has 1.7 million views, and you can, for example, suppose that, I don't know, maybe 100,000 people just bought that laptop and these guys got a commission, okay? So that's a lot of money, but you have to be dedicated and you have to create these videos. Now I'm going to show you, besides Murf, what you can use for generating these videos. You can, for example, use HeyGen, okay? This will create engaging videos. Of course, it's going to be AI. You even have avatars, which you can use as well. But of course, there is Synthesia.io, which is the same thing. So what do you have to do? You can just create these AI voiceovers with Murf, and then you can create videos with this one. But of course, you don't have to use video generator. You can just put it like yourself, okay? It's not that hard. You can use like any video editor and you can just make some stock footage of those products and you just put the AI voice in the background, okay? And this Murf only needs the script, but you don't have to write that yourself, you know? Everything can be done with an AI tool today. That's the best thing that we live in today. That's really, really good. So here's the deal. You just go over to Bing, okay? You have to have Edge browser for this, and you have to search for Bing Chat. Now, this is the same thing as ChatGPT. It can write you the scripts, but it's better. Bing is so much better than ChatGPT. First of all, it can go online, okay? It can search the relevant information after 2021, and ChatGPT cannot do that, okay? It can't go and search on the internet, okay? That's a bad thing because we want these gadgets, we want these products to be actual, okay? We want to find these reviews and we want to just take that script and fill it into mrf.ai. So here's what you can do with Bing. You can just go look up 5 of the most interesting gadgets on Amazon and make me a list. Okay, so I'm just going to do it like that and make me a list. And Bing is then going to go online. It's going to go and search through the Amazon. So you can see searching for the 5 most interesting gadgets on Amazon. And you can see right away it gives you the information, okay? It will even give you a short introductory description of each one of these, and it will give you these references. Now, this is really good. It gives you the references on where it went to do the research. Now, that is good for multiple reasons. You can just go and double check. If there are any mistakes, you can just click on it, and then you can go and see what's what. But the best thing about this one is that you can find more description about these products. So, for example, you want to affiliate for this one. Well, this is a part of your script. So you can just copy and paste this into Murf AI for each one of these. Okay, so, for example, you can see Kindle, you want to affiliate for it. $100 at Amazon. You can see how easy this is. So this is an affiliate link, of course, but I'm just going to click on it so you can see and you can go which product you want to affiliate for. Now, when you just sign up to Amazon Associates, you have to make an account there as well. Well, this product is currently out of stock, but whenever you take certain product, let me just show you. So I'm just going to go and take whatever so I can just show you how this works. Let's just say that I wanted to affiliate for this TV. When you have your account, Amazon Associates account, you can just click here, get link. This is your Amazon Associates site Stripe. Click on the text, and this is your link, okay? This is what you post in the description of your YouTube video, okay? That's how it's done. Pretty easy. You have the script Bing gave you. When it goes on a research, it will give you these references. And I've already told you that you can use these references to find a lot of scripts for you. So this can go into the video. This reference is great. If your budget is around $100, this entry-level Kindle offers very few compromises and still blah, blah, blah. You can see all of the text is already in there. You just have to copy and paste into mrf.ai. And then you just find certain stock footage or use some video generation, whatever you want to do. But the most important part, make yourself Amazon Associates account. Just get those affiliate links. And of course, don't forget to just put them down in the description of your YouTube video. A lot of people are going to watch that. YouTube has a lot of traffic and a lot of people are going to convert, okay? And even if they don't convert, even if they don't buy your Kindle, for example, whatever they buy in the next 24 hours, you get a commission, okay? So that's how good this can be. But of course, this will depend on you. Just go on to research right now and make it work, okay? don't give up. If you want to go on a research, I suggest visiting Jungle Scout. They have all about Amazon. They have a lot of these videos. You can learn a lot, really. If you just learn something today, it's going to be easier for you. They even have this blog post of theirs. They even have a website, of course, and you can just go and see what tips and tricks you can use in order to start with this, okay? Just make yourself Amazon Associates program and start making that content, okay? So it's going to be really good for you, and the more you invest, the more time and energy you invest in this, the more money you will get for yourself. Trust me, it is a good thing. Anyone can do it from wherever. You just have to create the content, and you'll see it's going to be good. The results are going to happen, so just going to go and take that action. I'll catch you.